Since forever, the duchies have worked together and against water in the flooding domain. Building dikes, dams, and delta works is our specialty, but we seem to have neglected the health of our rivers. Since 1970, freshwater species have seen a decline of at least 83% globally. Today we present to you a step in the right direction, the direction of clean rivers. The last few weeks we, Team Flotilla, have worked on our project, the Baywatch. We aim to battle anonymous pollution and provide live river data through our Smart Buoy. It monitors pH value and turbidity, which can give a good indication about river health. Big changes in these values can mean therefore pollution. Since the buoy is stationary, investigators can be sent over there and see what is happening at this critical point. Besides all this, our buoy also sends data over the internet to a web server, which is able to display the data in a beautiful chart. When the data is too high or too low, a warning email can be sent. Of course, the data first gets validated locally by our Node MCU before it's sent. This is our prototype in action. However, we discovered along the way that there was some leakage somewhere, so in precaution we took out the electrical parts and tested it this way. However, the buoy did work and the data was still being transferred over time, as you can see here. In addition, the buoy sends the data roughly every 10 minutes, and this data is saved in our database. Some hours later, the buoy collected quite some data, but no one was polluting this river, so we could see a lot of stable data points around the pH and turbidity values. It's been running for quite some time now on its own. The buoy is powered by a solar panel and a battery for backup, making it able to last long. And now, after a couple hours, we collected all this data, but no dangerous values were detected, which in our opinion is a little bit boring. Hence, we show you that it's able to do its job correctly when danger lies ahead. Well, this should change the value of the pH drastically, since clean water has a pH value of around 7, and vinegar has a much lower value. We know most of the readings are correct since Val calibrated the sensors with some advanced math, and we used the second pH meter to compare our readings with that of the pH meter and calibrate accordingly. We can see it detects a dangerous situation and it's able to handle it properly by sending us a warning email. So, in conclusion, with our product, we aim to provide an effort in fixing the problem of polluted rivers. As we have demonstrated, our product is able to function properly and send actual warnings. This could develop further, and the future may behold a lot of bay watches guarding our rivers, making ecosystems and humans flourish. This is the reflection about how things went. So, although our project was done and finished, it didn't turn out the way that we wanted to, nor was the process easy. We had a few hiccups along the way, such as the fact that the pH sensor broke right before we had to present it. Then apart from that, we also had some difficulty getting the buoy to be waterproof. Since we 3D printed our product, it wasn't a solid object, so water could go inside and mess up the product inside for the electronics. But yeah, so even our project didn't go without hiccups or problems, but we managed to solve them all, and we learned from all of them, so we did a great job in the end. Thank you.